that's latch hook. All right, we're going to talk about that. See how it looks like it's going to be a butterfly? And you can see that the color of yarn that you need is imprinted on this mesh. All right? Now, ideally, before you start one, you should put some masking tape around these edges so it won't fray. Or you can get a piece of jute or some kind of fabric, fold it over and make a nice little edge and stitch it on there with a sewing machine. That works great. So we're going to talk about latch hook. I bought this in a little kit. Came in a box like this. Oh, there, it still has the picture. See, that's what it's supposed to look like when it's done. I only paid $5 for this, so I was like, why not? I'm going to do it. So what do you need for latch hook? So let's open this up and look at it. So it comes with directions on how to do it. Really simple, and I'll demonstrate it. Got all kinds of stuff here. All right. So you're going to need a latch hook tool. See how that looks? Got this little catch right here. This does not come with the kit, but these are really cheap. I think I got this for like $3, but I've had it for 100 years, so I don't know how much they are now. They're inexpensive. So when you open up your kit, you have these little plastic wrapped lengths of yarn that's already cut for you, and it matches all of your colors that's on your canvas here. All right, easy peasy. And what I've done is I've pulled yarns out of those little tubes. They get loosey-goosey in there, so I just put them in some Ziploc bags so that I can keep it all organized. Okay, these can get as fancy as you want. These even have giant frames that you can buy, like almost like a quilt frame, where you just can roll it up or roll it down on that frame and work. And I always find it easier if I just kind of fold it, and you're going to work right to left or left to right, you know, if you're left-handed. You're going to work across there, okay? And it's just easier to get to if you just kind of fold down the work that's already been done. Or you can kind of, you can't see here, dangle it off the edge of a desk or a table. That works. Let's look at it. The next colors I need, I'm working right to left. I need a white, a blue, looks like 2 black, whichever one, whatever color's most dominant on your little square is one you're going to use. Then there'll be a red and some blue. All right, so let's get those yarns out. All right, I need a white. Just pull it out of there. Lay it to the side. I need a blue. What's that? 2 black. And a red. All right. So what you're going to do, you'll loop your yarn in half like that, and you just kind of, you hold the ends right there where they're kind of even. You're going to put your little tool through that loop, okay? You're going to pull it down past that little catch thing right there, okay? This is like take 20, no joke. Trying to get this thing to act right so I can make a video to show you how to do it. But it don't want to work today. All right, let's try this again. So you go under like that. See how I'm doing it? Pull up that little latchy thingy. Loop your yarn over and let it just pull it all the way through. Yay! Thank you. All right, see how that works? That's all you do. And you just work across each little loop there, and then you end up with something pretty like a butterfly. And these can be wall hangings, they can be pillow toppers, whatever you want to do with it.